Let's take a look at using the team bar on the home page. On the right hand side of the home page, we can see the team bar. This shows your team members with their current inbox work volumes and due status, plus any currently assigned work in each of the queues you're linked to, either as a manager or as someone who works out of that queue. You can sort the order of the team by various criteria. Let's click on the filter and have a play with the various sort orders. And maybe let's settle on viewing it by who has the most number of overdue items, to see who might be slightly overloaded right now. If we click on a team member, we can see their specific work items. Let's quickly remove that user filter and take a look at some more features. We could sort the grid by due date to see which items are the most overdue. Or if we want to search for a specific item, we can use the free text filter to search for a ticket with a specific title. To reassign items, we can tick the boxes on the left side of the grid, and this brings up a row at the top. We click the reassign link, and in the pop-up we can choose to reassign to other team members or indeed to ourselves. We can add a note. For example, we might write, "I'm taking this one so we can respond quickly." Then we hit the Reassign to Me button. We can remove the free text filter and the user filter to get back to our own inbox view. When it comes to working with items that are currently unassigned, we can simply click on one of the queues. Let's click on the HR items queue here, and we can see this filters the main display down to just unassigned items in that queue. If we wanted to reassign a work item to ourselves, we could easily do that again. For example, we could search for a ticket about healthcare coverage, select it and reassign it to ourselves, or in fact just open it and reassign it direct from a ticket screen.